How to sign out YouTube from other devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipian Basat, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign up your YouTube account from other devices. Now if you may have signed into your account to 2 or 3 other devices or many other devices to multiple devices, and now you want to sign it out, then here is how you can do it. First, you want to open up your YouTube application. You should get an interface like this. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you do so, at the here screen you can see the switch account option, and you can see the Google account option. Below the view channel option, you want to simply tap on Google account option. Now here what you want to do is you want to choose a particular account that you wish to sign out from other devices. I'll just choose my account real quick here. Once on this page, what you want to do is you can see home, personal info, data and privacy. You want to swipe to the right and you'll get the option security. You want to tap on it. Once you scroll down below under security, you'll find the option that says manage all devices. Under your devices, you can see you want to simply tap on it, and once you tap on it here, it should load up. It'll load up the list of devices that your account is logged in on. You can simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can tap on sign out option, and your account will be signed out, and your YouTube account will be signed out as well as your Google account. So this way you can sign out YouTube from other devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.